Hi everyone, welcome back to my video. Before I dive into today's topic, in my last video or that video that I released yesterday, that was all about AI IT HR agent. Sorry, I should say HR agent, not IT agent. It was a HR agent, and I used Power Automate desktop to create the workflow. And so the USP was that everything was free, no LLM charges, no any costly tooling, right? Power Automate desktop comes free with Windows 11 pre-installed, right? So it is free. Even if you have Windows 10, you can download and install. It is free to use. So in my previous video, you might have seen that a HR person has to upload the CV through UI, and there triggers the workflow. And there was a PowerShell script that does the extraction and extraction of that script, sorry, CV output, and send that text to LLM, and LLM gives the info about the user's CV, right? Candidate CV, whether the candidate is good to select, and rate that CV, and writes that to a text file, right? So that was semi-automation. So in today's video, I've done the end-to-end automation, right? So basically, it automatically accepts all the candidate CV. So if you have hundreds of CV, it will automatically scans that folder and accepts all those PDFs, and automatically extract text and send that text to our LLM. There is no PowerShell or any Python script, so everything is native. So I'm using Invoke Web Service native Power Automate action, and that takes care of sending to LLM. And I have asked LLM to give me structured output, like candidate name, email, and rating and rationale behind. So okay, so if the rating of that particular candidate is greater than or equal to 8, then only it sends email like this, where you have been shortlisted, and HR will get back to you soon. So basically, you get the idea, right? We can even schedule a meeting. So you can see this is the sample output, right? So we are sending to user that so and so user. Since I don't have the email ID, so I'm using my email ID for the demo. So you get the idea, right? We have hi Jane Smith. So this is automatically populated, dynamically populated, and it addresses user by name, and because AI given us the email and name, and it says you have been shortlisted, our HR will call you back soon, right? So, but you get the idea, right? You can make it pretty also. Okay, so let me go to workflow. Okay, so I'm into workflow, and if you see, so I made few changes. So automatically, I'm capturing all the files that are having extension PDF from this path. Okay, so in this path, I have two PDFs, right? I have two PDFs. Those are CV of those candidates. Okay, so I have used the same in my previous video. That was a window Word, Microsoft Word. This is PDF. Okay, so I'm looping through all the files that match that PDF, and then extracting text from PDF and sending to LLM, right? I'm using the native Invoke Web Service. So the rest remains same. Instead of any scripting, I'm using the native tooling, right? So let me open once it gets open. Okay, so I'm using the native web service. So I'm using the bearer token, and that is there in environment variable. Okay, and I'm instructing AI that you are an HR agent. You need to evaluate the prospect candidates, and those are their skill, and you have to rate 1 to 10, and this is the output you should be sending, right? So rating, rational, candidate name, and all, right? And then it makes my job easier. So next loop is nothing but I'm going through all the output, right? Basically, if the rating is greater than 8, then only you send the email that I mentioned So I asked to send email, right? You have been shortlisted, and automatically it will capture the email and name of the user. If you see, this is the output. Okay, this is the output generated by AI. So it will capture candidate name, candidate email. So I'm using same email because I don't have multiple emails. Candidate rating and the rationale behind why it's selected. Right. You can send the copy of it to HR also if you want, or whoever you want it to. Okay. So this is the rationale behind. Okay. So let me run this flow so that you can watch it. Okay, I started. So this will take some time. Okay, so let me explain the with the latest architecture, right? This is the latest architecture. As I said, right now it is scanning all the PDF, extracting text from PDF, and then it will call the API using our Invoke Web Service, the native Power Automate Desktops action, and that LLM will get back with a structured JSON, as I shown you, right? So structured JSON will be get back from LLM, right. I believe it is doing for second candidate now, and the structure JSON is, then we are parsing it, we are storing it in a list, and we are parsing it, and after parsing, we are adding a logic whether the rating is greater than 8. If it is greater than 8, greater than or equal to 8, then only you go ahead and send the email. Okay, so that is what it is doing. It is, yeah, it is about to end, so we should have got two more emails. Okay, so it is doing the email part. Okay, our workflow ended. So let's see, everything is coming. Okay, I got two more emails, right? So it is saying, "Hi Jane Smith, you have been shortlisted." Blah blah blah, and there will be one more email on in the name of John Doe, right? Let's see. Yeah, John Doe, you have been shortlisted for an interview. Okay, so how this is happening, because we got the structured output, right? So this is our structured output, right? Let me see, show the list. List will have the structured output. Okay, so if you see, the list has the structured output, and this is all thanks to, this is of Jane Smith. Okay, it gave rating to that candidate, and this is of John Doe. Okay, so it has given rating for both Jane Smith and John Doe, and it has given the rationale why it rated so, right? But you get the idea. You can put even more guardrails. You can make it tougher for AI so that it rate always the best. I hope you would have liked it. So this was my end-to-end automation for making HR agent end-to-end. There is no human involved, right? And through this, we are sending email to candidate about their shortlisting, right? So it is automatically notifying candidate that their profile has been shortlisted. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like, subscribe, and share, and please do leave comments. Thanks for watching.